It is claimed that the localization is right in the CBA that we signed with the Teacher Service Commission. I think the interpretation is wrong. The Code of Regulations has the localization, yes, but it's so clear that teachers shall be delocalized upon deployment.
TSC was formed through a strike. You cannot discourage people from holding a strike. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, swali ni kwamba mwalimu wa Kenya wa sasa hivi amekosea nani?
I cannot leave here, God, before you bless me. Unless you take a bold step and go towards your blessing, it will never meet you there.
I wish to note the immense support that the union has extended to my government through constant consultation. Any assistance towards the welfare of the Kenya National Union of Teachers, Nairobi branch, will always be welcome to my office. My doors remain open for further consultation.